If you're not finding smashing success on keto, you could be falling for myths that keep rearing their ugly head. Watch this video to learn 3 keto myths that are holding you back from your keto success story. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can learn everything I learn about losing more than 100 pounds each Wednesday. I busted through these myths to get my success story. Now let's work on yours. Today I'm busting through 3 keto myths that just won't go away. Just because you find a fancy article or someone makes a claim with a flashy news headline, that doesn't make their claim true. If you're avoiding keto because you believe these myths, let's talk about my real-life experience after following keto for 5 years and how I have proven these myths false. Myth number 1. People can't stay on keto long term. Many experts warn you to avoid keto because it's not sustainable long term. I just finished telling you that I've been following a low-carb keto lifestyle since 2014. Not only have I found success, but this is the first time ever that I lost a substantial amount of weight that I haven't gained back without constant struggle. I've experienced improvement with countless health conditions that I previously thought I was just stuck with. If I listened to the experts that keep telling everyone to avoid keto, I'd still have daily migraines, cystic acne, anxiety, depression, and so many other health conditions that I no longer deal with. If you're avoiding keto because some health guru tells you that it's not sustainable, my results tell quite a different story. 5 years of following a low-carb lifestyle with so much success has been easily sustainable for me. I'm not a standalone story either. I have many clients that I began working with over 2 years ago that improved similar health problems, lost substantial amounts of weight, and they still love their keto lifestyle because they took the time to learn how to keto the right way. Now they have lasting success, and so can you. Myth number 2. Keto will make you break out since too much greasy fat results in acne. All right, there is a little bit of truth to this myth that we've all been told since junior high. If you're consuming too much fat that maybe you can't break down, then too much fat can result in acne. However, it's not the fat in and of itself that's causing the breakouts. It's the sludgy bile that can result from poor diet choices or too many medications over time. I had cystic acne for decades. And if you don't know what cystic acne is, it is the mother of all acne, the absolute worst acne out there. No over-the-counter medications, prescriptions, or diet changes helped me until I removed foods that were sludging up my bile flow. I'm talking about those healthy whole grains and other foods that I no longer ate on a keto plan. I also added natural supplements to help thin bile. After suffering with horrible acne that lasted for more than 20 years, I haven't had any form of a breakout in more than 4 years, and I've also never eaten so much fat in my diet than these past 4 years. Georgia recently came to me because keto wasn't working for her. She wanted weight loss results, but I explained that her body wasn't processing fat correctly on a high-fat diet. I could tell this was the case because she had acne breakouts, and she told me that that was pretty typical. Georgia cried actual tears because she finally learned how to get results with keto, but even better than that, she cried tears of joy knowing that she could finally clear up her skin, which is a problem that can be worse than a few extra pounds for many people. Some people's acne will improve when they follow keto since they're removing some of the problem foods that sludge up bile, like grains. Others will need to take the same steps that Georgia and I took if their bile is thick and sticky. Go to eatingfatistheNewSkinny.com/fixme to learn more about how you can work with your body to improve acne if simply following a keto plan isn't working for you. Myth number 3. Keto should be a diet high in dairy. There are many ketoers who believe just because dairy is low in carbs that the only way to succeed on keto is by adding lots of dairy. Don't get me wrong here. Gooey cheese and extra creamy bulletproof coffees are delicious, but they're not absolutely necessary to succeed on keto. In fact, dairy is one of the biggest problem foods when it comes to weight loss on keto. If you have gut problems, removing dairy from your plan can help your results immensely. If you love cheese as much as I do, but it causes weight loss stalls or health issues like it does for me, then find suitable replacements for dairy. High-fat coconut milk is a great option to replace heavy cream, and many people choose creamy avocados over cheese. I'm working with several students in the Keto Decoded membership right now to find replacements for dairy. I've seen what they're eating and their macros are spot on. It's been amazing to see how removing this one food source has ramped up their results considerably. If you have any other replacements for dairy, let me know in the comments below. Many ketoers would be so grateful for our help since removing dairy is one of the biggest hurdles I see in keto weight loss stalls. Since so many keto myths run rampant, we get more into keto myths on this week's Chat the Fat. If you swear by the myths that we talk about as truth, you could be stalling your results. If you know anyone else who believes these myths, remember to like, comment, and share this video. Become their keto superhero. Find all the ways we can connect below, and let's connect. I'll see you next Wednesday to talk diet obsession. Keto is complicated and it's easy to get lost in the keto nuances. I'll give you 3 strategies to avoid keto diet obsession.